Good day. I am Jayaprakash of Vetri Engineers. Okay, I am an entrepreneur. I started this company Vetri Engineers in the year 1992. After I came out, I lost everything in Kuwait and settled in Coimbatore. Okay, I didn't want to go back to job. Okay, then I started exploring the possibilities of promoting Indian engineering product for global market. I went around a few countries, mainly Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore. There I could not find any business opportunities for engineering product because I was more keen for engineering product. Fortunately, one person in Indonesia said, okay, you have come from Coimbatore, why don't you find engineering, textile engineering spare parts for the LMW textile machinery machines, okay, which they are not able to find. Okay, that is the only reason triggered me to find, okay, there is a good possibility to promote Indian exports of engineering products related to textile industry. That's where I started. Okay, though I was not familiar, I was not in the textile industry, I was altogether a different industry. Now I learned a lot of things from the textile industry, and thereafter I started how I can promote the textile spare parts around the industry. I did a different thing in other than the other textile machinery spare parts suppliers. Okay. I made a lot of engineering way, doing all the information in the form of drawings, dissemination of all information. That has really attracted the customers, maintenance managers and spinning managers in India and abroad. That has really put me one of the areas which is my specialization is the top rollers for the draw frame and comber and lap former machines, which is really a real critical part in the textile industry, because that is giving the level quality ultimately, which results to the ring spin, ring yarn quality as well as the open-end yarn quality. And that's where we set this one, and today we exported top rollers to almost many countries including Japan, China, USA, Canada, Mexico and Brazil, Argentina and some of the African countries, and even to some of the buyers in Europe, they buy this one, okay, this way. And today we are in many American textile mills, they use our top rollers. That's one thing I should glad say. Okay, and similarly in most of the good mills in India, particularly grade 1, grade 2 mills, they use our top rollers invariably. They find our quality of the top rollers as good as like Tuzler, Ritter and some of the Japanese machines. Okay, that's where we made specializations, all because of we put lot of indigenously developed. Okay, and for which we collected, of course we did more of a reverse engineering, though we did not supply to support to the OEMs, but most of the aftermarket, okay, the customers, they preferred our product. So that's where we stand on the top rollers, and this is our catalog. And this catalog, this last 25 years, this still remains on the same cover page. Okay, and we are known as a Vetri top roller house. Okay, and all we do, like completely we make this picture and all the dimensional drawings, everything. So it is all very good for the textile mills, spinning mills, maintenance technicians. Okay, what is the correct size dimension, which nobody else has given in the market, and we are the only people who have done this one. Okay, we don't bother about the competition, but what we do, we have to give the customers good technical support services, and at the same time we want to ensure the quality. Of course, everybody claims the quality, but ultimately who gives the real support? Okay, information giving also is a quality. That's where we stand. Okay, that's why we are recognized in the market. We started in the year 1952 in a small room with only one person, myself. Okay, that's all. And today we have got more than 40 people. We did export more than 40 countries, and almost all the 40 countries are all in the textile mills. Okay, customers. That's where we get. Afterwards, we were the front runners preferably on the export side. And now, because of our focus on this textiles mills in export, and naturally this also in the domestic side also many kinds of customers attraction, and we have exhibited our products in China, Japan and USA and European market, all these things, including Singapore, Indonesia, all these countries, so many places, including India also. We are known in the market. In fact, Vetri top rollers is known as like a household product in the textile spinning industry. Of course, the customers are really supported. Okay, I'm really very happy because we are, after returning to India, established in a small entrepreneurial way, and now I'm able to service our India and other countries by producing indigenously made textile component to the industries. Okay, that's all. And similarly, also in addition to this one, we also exported the many textile spinning spare parts. Some we manufactured, some we outsourced, and we did. And this also, it is more popular. And all we did, okay, give the right information to the customer. That is the only way we can stay back. Just because in addition to quality, what we have to give is, okay, the information should be very transparent. So that's the only way you will be entering into the market. That's all. You see, Vetri Engineers, okay, basically we started exporting engineering product mainly on the textile spare parts, accessories. That's the main thing, okay. For nearly 15 years, we are concentrating only on the textile spinning spares and accessories. Afterwards, we entered into, okay, parallelly we entered into engineering components, contract manufacturing engineering components. Okay, customers will give this one drawings and samples. We make the reverse engineering. Based on this one, we made okay volume of spare parts of the components for the global market. Okay, in India also. Okay, that's where we have penetrated other market. Okay, now today we are we are specialists on textile spare parts, preferably top rollers, and some textile spare parts. And second one is the engineering components for the general industries. Okay, that's very important. Okay, right from last 25 years, we stand only one point. What we give the products, okay, which should stand the technology, the best, latest technology, and the same with good quality, acceptable quality in the industry standard. And what is very important is the value. See, the product, not necessarily the value related to money alone, it is the value for the customer. Customer will believe top rollers means Vetri top rollers will give a best value to this one. There is no kind of hassles, it's hassles-free product. That is the kind of the value. So, okay, they should create a happiness, okay, and also for the good advantage for the industry. Also, it should be cost effective. And finally, see the relationship. Because we maintain a good relationship, because this is very, very important. That's all. That's the only way we do. In India ITME, we have been participating 1995 onwards, all Indian ITME exhibitions in India. Okay, in addition to international exhibitions. Right from the beginning, we are focusing on the quality textile spinning spares, supported with all the dimensional drawing, technical details, all these things, transparent we are giving. Okay, in this one, we are also focusing, okay, the same kind of top rollers in a much improved materials and specification, and it is giving a long life and better performance, quality performance. As I said earlier, this should give the what you call silver quality, best silver quality in order to achieve the yarn quality. That's all we did. And okay, now what we do is we also get some of the conversion textile machinery spare part like the Reader and LMW or even Twizzler. Okay, the greaseless top rollers are giving many problems. That's what customer comparing. What we did, we converted into greasing type, which is giving a good performance. This is what we got the feedback from the customer. We supplied to many countries this greasing type, alternate to the OEM. That's all we did. Okay. In addition, we are going to show some more textile spare parts. Okay, critical spare parts we developed. We are going to exhibit in the ITME. Textile industry, related to textile industry, first thing we'll talk about the textile industry. Textile industry, we continuously give this top roller more promotion to the global market in India. Okay, that's very, very important. We want to ensure that made in India, the top roller is going to have works like any other big OEM industry. Okay, this is what our aim, number one. This okay, and afterwards we also want to develop some critical spare parts for the draw frame, comber machines. Okay, this is what these are the area we want to limit ourselves. The textile industry only these two niche areas. That's all. This is only area. Okay, because there are so many players in the market, we don't want to go into so much widely. We want to narrow down, focus, concentrate on these specific products. That's it. And in addition to this one, now we are focusing the engineering components, contract manufacturing engineering component. There it is giving a bigger market. Okay, all these things because we got the encouragement and specialization support from the textile industry that has made us to develop the next area. Okay, fortunately in the last 3 years many customers around the world looking for alternate to China. In such cases they encouraged India is another good source for sourcing engineering product. Now we got within a span of 2 years we received more than 25 inquiries from Australia, UK and USA, and right now so far we exported more than $150,000 engineering components in addition to textile spare parts. Okay, it is not there, but now we have got more than $1 million inquiries alone for the engineering components. There is another good area. There is a good recognition around the world that Indian products are really going to work. One of the things I should give a big gratitude to Textile Magazine right from the year 1995 onwards. When once I met Mr. Natarajan, who was instrumental to support me to promote a lot of advertisements in these magazines. Okay, ever since we have been continuously advertising this one. That's also another reason. Okay, in addition to most of the customers in India and outside, the first thing, in addition to Vetri's supporting the spare parts and accessories, we give a lot of valuable messages, information like motivational messages, posters and books, everything. It will help the customers and well-wishers and the people in the industry, okay, to to learn so many things, and by which they want to apply in their industry and their personal life and making their life best. We are participating in the ITME exhibition in hall number 10 G11. We look forward all our customers to come and visit and see our wide range of products and see their quality and the product specialization. Okay, and we look forward in future we want to serve still better, much better. Thank you.